Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to activate a product on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to activate a product on Steam, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account online on your computer, as I've already logged in over here. Now in order to proceed to activate a Steam on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see a bunch of items available for us over here from Steam to the help. Now we'll be required to click on the games over here, the games option. And on the second option on this drop down menu, you can see the activate a product on Steam option available for us. Click on that activate a product on Steam, and this kind of interface will appear where it says by entering your code you will be registering a product with Steam and adding it to a library. You can enter a product code distributed with a retail CD, DVD or Steam product. And with that being said guys, enter your code over here, whichever might be, whichever type of code you have bought it or you got it. And with that being done guys, after entering your code, click on the confirm button over here, and then your code will be activated on Steam. And with that being done guys, whichever product you had entered over here, that code will be available on your Steam library. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to activate your product on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.